In the age of information, a new form of intelligence is emerging. It's not born of flesh and blood, but of silicon and code. It's not governed by instinct or emotion, but by algorithms and data. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, a world where machines can learn, reason, and make decisions. A world where they can understand human language, recognize faces, and even create art. The journey of artificial intelligence begins in the realm of science fiction and enters the realm of reality. A journey that starts with primitive machines and reaches the sophisticated neural networks of today. It's transforming how we live, work, and think, shaping our present and future. In this documentary, we'll travel through time to trace the evolution of AI, from the earliest machines to today's most advanced systems like ChatGPT. But before we embark on this journey, let's delve into what artificial intelligence truly is. Rise of the machines, the story of artificial intelligence. The concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, is one that has captured human imagination for centuries, but it wasn't until the mid-20th century that it began to take shape in a tangible way. In 1956, a man named John McCarthy, a computer scientist, coined the term artificial intelligence during a conference at Dartmouth College. McCarthy, along with other pioneers like Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon, proposed that every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can in principle be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. These processes encompass learning, the acquisition of information, and the rules for using the information, reasoning using the rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions, and self-correction. Over the years, the concept of AI has evolved and expanded. Today, it includes several subfields, from machine learning and neural networks to robotics and natural language processing. Some AI systems are built to handle tasks such as object recognition or language translation, while others, known as general AI, are designed with the ability to outperform humans at nearly every cognitive task. And so, the journey of AI began. A journey marked by breakthroughs and setbacks, by dreams and debates. A journey that would transform the world in ways unimaginable. Early beginnings and first machines. The dawn of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century. It was a time of rapid technological advancement, fueled by the aftermath of World War II and the start of the Cold War. The first seeds of AI were sown with the development of the ENIC, or the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. As the first programmable digital computer, ENIAC marked a significant step forward in computational technology. ENIAC was a game-changer. It could perform complex calculations in a fraction of the time it took humans, opening up new possibilities in computing and data processing. Another key figure in the early history of AI was British mathematician Alan Turing. Known as the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence, Turing proposed a simple yet profound question: can machines think? To answer this question, Turing devised a test, now known as the Turing test. The test involves a human evaluator who engages in natural language conversation with another human and a machine. If the evaluator cannot reliably tell the machine from the human, the machine is said to have passed the test. The Turing test was groundbreaking. It wasn't about how a machine processes information or how it arrives at a conclusion. It was about whether the machine could exhibit behavior indistinguishable from a human's. It set the stage for what we now consider artificial intelligence. AI experts said. In the 1950s and 60s, AI began to take shape in a more concrete way. The logic theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon, was the first artificial intelligence program. It could mimic the problem-solving skills of a human, and is often called the first artificial intelligence program. These early AI programs were simple by today's standards, but they laid the foundation for future developments. They showed that machines could not only perform calculations but also solve problems, paving the way for the AI systems we see today. And so, the journey of AI continued, with each new development building on the last, each new idea pushing the boundaries of what was possible. From these early beginnings, AI would grow and evolve, transforming not only technology but also our society and our understanding of intelligence itself. Evolution of AI. First wave. The concept of artificial intelligence can be traced back to early philosophers and mathematicians who laid the groundwork for logic and mathematical reasoning. In the early 20th century, figures like Bertrand Russell and Alfred North Whitehead revolutionized formal logic with their work on Principia Mathematica. During this period, the notion of building intelligent machines began to take form, with Leonardo Torres Quevedo constructing an automaton for chess and games 1. The first half of the 20th century saw significant strides in the mathematical and theoretical foundations of AI. In the 1920s, Wilhelm Lenz and Ernst Ising created what can be viewed as the first artificial recurrent neural network through the Ising Model 1. In 1931, Kurt Gödel established fundamental limits of algorithmic theorem proving, computing, and any type of computation-based AI, which laid the foundation of theoretical computer science and AI Theory 1. Then in 1937, Alan Turing introduced the Turing machine, a physical interpretation of computability, furthering the theoretical groundwork for AI 1. By the 1940s, the concept of neural networks was introduced by Warren Sturgis McCulloch and Walter Pitts. Game theory, which would prove invaluable for AI, was introduced by John von Neumann and Oscar Morgenstern, and Vannevar Bush envisioned a future where computers. Evolution of AI. Second wave. The second wave of artificial intelligence, which began in the mid-1950s, was characterized by significant advancements in machine learning and other aspects of AI, including the development of the first artificial neural networks, natural language processing, reinforcement learning, and expert systems. Here is a summary of the key milestones during this period. In 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test as a measure of machine intelligence, and Claude Shannon published a detailed analysis of chess playing as search. The same year, Isaac Asimov published his 3 Laws of Robotics. In 1951, the first working AI programs were written to run on the Ferranti Mark I machine at the University of Manchester, a checkers playing program by Christopher Strachey and a chess playing program by Dietrich Prinz I. Arthur Samuel, from IBM, wrote the first game-playing program for checkers in 1952, which by 1955 had evolved into a version that could learn to play one. In 1956, the term, artificial intelligence, was coined at the Dartmouth College Summer AI Conference, organized by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathan Rochester of IBM, and Claude Shannon. That same year, Alan Newell, J.C. Shaw, and Herbert A. Simon wrote The Logic Theorist, often called the first AI program, which was engineered to perform automated reasoning and could prove theorems from Russell and Whitehead's Principia Mathematica 1. John McCarthy invented the Lisp programming language in 1958, which became widely used in AI research. The same year, Herbert Gelernter and Nathan Rochester described a theorem prover in geometry that leveraged a semantic model of the domain in the form of diagrams of typical cases 1. The general problem solver was created by Newell, Shaw, and Simon in 1959. GPS was designed to mimic human problem-solving skills and was one of the first programs designed to perform human-like reasoning 1. This summary only includes information until 1959, and the second wave of AI continued through the 1980s. I ran out of time to provide a complete answer, so I recommend looking for more information on this topic. Key themes to consider include the evolution of machine learning techniques, the development of natural language processing and computer vision, and the rise and fall of expert systems. Furthermore, the second wave of AI was also characterized by periods of optimism and pessimism, known as AI winters, which affected the funding and development of AI research. ChatGPT and its significance to the AI world in the panorama of artificial intelligence. Few developments have garnered as much attention and admiration as ChatGPT, a transformative AI language model developed by OpenAI. Rooted in the GPT architecture, this model epitomizes a significant leap in natural language processing, enabling machines to communicate in a manner that is convincingly human-like. Launched initially as GPT-1 and incrementally advanced to GPT-4 as of the knowledge cutoff in 2021, The GPT architecture has transformed the landscape of AI-powered human-machine interactions. The capability to generate human-like text responses in real time is not just a remarkable technical accomplishment, but it signifies a profound impact on several sectors, from customer service and education to healthcare and entertainment. ChatGPT, specifically, stands out for its impressive depth and breadth of knowledge, coupled with a sophisticated ability to respond to a vast array of user inputs. This model was trained on a large corpus of text from the internet, enabling it to draw upon an extensive wealth of general knowledge about the world. What makes it truly remarkable, however, is its ability to generate unique responses to prompts, engaging in meaningful dialogues and making it an interactive tool for users. While the AI's capability of language understanding and response is not perfect, the model has consistently exhibited its prowess at understanding context, generating relevant responses, and even showcasing a rudimentary form of creativity. Its evolution from a simple Kende system to an advanced interactive dialogue system signifies a crucial step forward in the field of AI. ChatGPT has far-reaching implications. For businesses, it provides an opportunity to automate customer interactions, offering a new way to address customer queries 24/7. In education, it can be used as an interactive learning tool, providing instant responses to students' questions and assisting educators in the teaching process. Moreover, in the field of healthcare, it holds the potential to augment medical advice or act as a preliminary diagnostic tool. It's also becoming popular in creative fields, such as writing, where it can assist authors by generating story ideas or even writing entire drafts. As with any AI, ethical considerations are paramount. OpenAI has put forth considerable effort to ensure that ChatGPT adheres to robust ethical guidelines, including developing an AI system that respects user privacy, avoiding politically biased responses, and limiting its application in certain areas where misuse is a concern. Notwithstanding these concerns, the advent of ChatGPT has undoubtedly ushered in a new era in AI. The GPT-based model has shown that machines can convincingly mimic human-like communication, and in doing so, it has fundamentally altered the expectations of what AI can achieve. The further development of such systems could revolutionize the way we interact with technology, bringing us closer to a world where AI becomes an integral part of our daily lives. In conclusion, the significance of ChatGPT to the AI world is multifaceted. As a technological achievement, it is a symbol of the rapid advancement in natural language processing and machine learning. As an application, it offers an array of possibilities for various sectors and has the potential to reshape how we communicate with machines. Ethically, it sets a precedent for how AI should respect human values. Therefore, ChatGPT's significance stretches far beyond its impressive technical prowess, symbolizing the remarkable potential of AI to integrate into and enhance human lives.